Today I'm on a wood foraging mission. On the road again, on the road again. Nice downhill ride. Ooh. Welcome to the jungle. Not a soul around. What's this? Looks like I have found some fallen tree. I'm gonna park my trusty vintage bicycle just right here. This is my heavy duty transport bag. Let's take out the axe. Hello, Mr. Axe. Let's do some wood chopping with toxic masculinity. Not sponsored by Polski leader whatsoever. Let's pack those 2 wood blocks and get the hell out of here. Here we go. Those wooden blocks are pretty heavy, I must say. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Feel free to share with your friends.